Sales volume tells you something that price alone can't, and that's how confident the market is. And something obvious is that the last 5 years have been quite the roller coaster. So, as you can see in 2021, North Florida did about $4.5 billion in market rate sales volume. Now, that's the absolute peak. Money was cheap and everyone was buying. Then the rates spike, and look what happened. Volume collapsed to about 1.1 billion in 2024, and that was a 75% drop. All the sellers froze, the buyers basically just kind of sat on their hands, and the deals just kind of stopped. But by 2025 is the real story. The volume doubled back to roughly 2.2 billion. So the capital is coming back into the market. So now here's why that matters if you're an investor. So volume tends to kind of lead price. By the time the headlines say it's safe to buy again, the rebound is basically already priced in. So you'd be paying up for what others have already bought in the quiet part of the market. The owners who did the best historically were the ones who transacted when the market felt the slowest at the time. Now, I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your money because every situation is different. But I am telling you the window where the buyers had the most leverage was 2023 and 2024. And that window is already narrowing. So if you want to talk about where the opportunities are in the market right now, give me a shout. Happy to talk. See you guys in the next one.